Good morning to all. This is your specialization class, paper first, general theology. Today we will discuss brief knowledge of sense organ. Sense organ are specialized organ that help to perceive the world around us. Sense organ composed of sensory organ, sensory neuron. Sense organ are an integral parts of physics, life, and the sense organs only way that enable us to perceive the environment. In this lecture, the main sensory organ of fishes is include eyes, number second, inner ear, and number third, lateral line system, and fourth, olfactory organ, and other than is like organ of smell, and ampulla of Lorentzi, and other than. But in this class, we will discuss at first and most important sensory organ, eyes. In case of fishes, eyes is most important sensory organ. The fish eyes is modified for the vision in air as well as in water. The eyes is the most of the fishes is without eyelids. In human, eyelids are present, but in this study is only fishes. All of fish is without eyelids. In their eyes is without eyelids. But some shark possesses eyelids as like nectating membrane. These membrane clean surface of uh, cornea. In case of teleost, have fatty eyelids of adipose tissue which protect their eyes. And some parts of eyes in show this slide. At first, cornea. Cornea is an anterior most part. This is cornea. Anterior most part of the fish's eyes. Cornea composed of corneal epithelium, corneal stroma, and corneal endothelium. In some bony fishes, the cornea is without pigmented. And number second, parts of eye is sclerotic capsule. Sclerotic capsule is highly vascular layer in the eyes. These are surrounded the eyeballs. And number third, choroid layer. Choroid layer is present below the sclerotic capsule and also known sclerotic capsule is also known as sclerotic coat. In teleostomy or bony fishes, blood vessels of choroid layer are arranged like a horseshoe. कहने का मतलब यह है कि जो कैरोइड लेयर है वो उसमें कुछ ब्लड वेसल्स पाए जाते हैं जो ऐसे हॉर्सशू शेप के होते हैं, इस तरीके से ऐसे राउंड शेप में. ठीक है, तो दीज all blood vessels are known as choroid gland. And next important parts of iris. Iris is next parts of eyes in physics. It is a thin partition between cornea and lens. This is iris part. This is iris. It is situated in between lens and cornea. It is a chamber-like structure in between anterior and posterior chamber. Iris is projected over the anterior surface of the lens. This is the lens. In iris, control the amount of light that reaches to retina. And next, lens. Lens is most important. Another important parts of eyes. It is a ball-like structure and transparent parts. It composed non-collagenous protein. Lens is covered by a lens capsule. Their outer surface is covered by a lens capsule and is filled by lens substrate. Now, next, retina. Retina is very important parts of eyes, and it is sensitive parts of eye. Some layer is present in retina. They are composed in some layer. It is number first, melanin containing pigment epithelium, and second, layer of rods and cones, and third, outer limiting membrane, and fourth, outer nuclear layer, fifth, inner nuclear membrane or layer, sixth, ganglion or nerve fiber layer, another inner limiting membrane. In the retina, present of some specialized nerve cell. We are discuss few specialized nerve cells present in the fish eyes retina. At first, visual cell. Visual cell is two types. Number first is rod-like cell visual cells. Number second, cone-like visual cell. Rod-like visual cells are concerned to detect the intensity of light, and the cone visual cell distinct wavelength like that color. And number second, horizontal cells. The horizontal cells are present in the peripheral region of the retina. And number third, bipolar cell. Bipolar cell found in the innermost part of the retina. And the bipolar cells are the largest neuron of the retina. And the vision is photochemical process and involve reaction in the light sensitivity pigment of the rod and cones. This is your lecture of eyes. Thank you.